controller vibration not working, no controller vibration on PC. 1. Restart your controller and PC. Disconnect the controller completely. Restart your PC normally. Reconnect the controller afterward. 2. Check in-game vibration settings. Open Forza Horizon 6 settings. Go to controller or accessibility settings. Make sure vibration haptic feedback is enabled. And 3. Test controller vibration outside the game. Open another game that supports vibration. Check if rumble works normally. Confirm the controller hardware is working. At 4. Use wired connection instead of Bluetooth. Connect controller with USB cable. Avoid unstable Bluetooth connections. Test vibration again in-game. 5. Update controller drivers. Open Device Manager. Update Xbox, PlayStation controller drivers. Restart your PC after updating. 6. Disable Steam input temporarily. Open Steam Library. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 Properties. Controller. Disable Steam input and relaunch the game. Update Xbox app in Windows. Install latest Windows updates. Update Xbox app from Microsoft Store. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Disconnect other input devices. Remove extra controllers, wheels, or USB devices. Keep only one controller connected. Relaunch the game afterward. 9. Reset game controller settings. Delete corrupted controller config files carefully. Launch the game to regenerate fresh settings. Reconfigure vibration options again. 10. Reinstall controller drivers or the game. Uninstall and reinstall controller drivers. Reinstall Forza Horizon 6 if issue continues. Test vibration after fresh installation.